There are a few places in this house where the plaster needed to be repaired. Up here, Tommy, with the crown, well, it looks like you're going old school.
I'm going old school, Kevin. We're actually going to do it just as they did it here. Mixed up some molding plaster, and I've cut a knife and we're going to shave it right into place. So I've prepped the area, wet the area, mixed up my molding plaster, and now I'm going to start just building it up a little bit at a time.
Now, when you say just as they did it there, you're suggesting that they actually took plaster out of a pile and they formed it right here onto the ceiling.
Well, they could have formed it right here on the ceiling, or they could have done it on a table, cut the pieces, and put them right in place.
But they definitely did not use a 3D printer.
They did not use a 3D printer.
All right.
So I've already wet the area because I don't want the dry plaster to suck all the water out of the new plaster that I've just mixed. What I did is I actually cut the profile of the molding out of this knife right here. The way I did that is I cut a slot in the molding, slid the knife in, traced it, and cut it with a jigsaw and fine-tuned it with a file.
Brilliant.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and drag it across the wall. I'm using the bottom of the crown molding and the ceiling as a guide. And I'll just keep going across the ceiling, removing the plaster that's in the way.
Tommy, that looks better already.
Yeah, it's a process. We got to slowly build it up in different batches. I'll let this set. You can see we're starting to remove all the high spots or low spots, and we'll slowly build it up as it sets up. We'll do it in stages.
All right, so we need another batch of plaster?
Yes, we do. Only this time, not quite as much.
Wow, Tommy, look at that. That is as good as the original. And you know what? That is as good as the 3D printer. You still got a job, pal.
Yeah, well, you do too. Let's get this mess cleaned up so I can get out of here.
All right, nice job. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you'd like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.